Now I'm going to show you the couple of examples how we can tune my database, not in the very deep level, but as this is a DBA course, so here just a basic ideas for the tuning, how you can able to perform in your database. Okay.
Yes.
So let me connect to the MySQL instance, and for that I am going to use the MySQL workbench.
Okay.
Or better, I can use the command line. What you want? Command line will be always better.
Yes.
Because there are lots of learning you can see.
Yes. Yes.
Let me connect to the database. So I have connected to the MySQL instance.
Okay.
And now here, what I'm going to do, I am connecting to my Word database or Word DB database, whichever you want.
Okay.
If you remember, we have lots of tables into there.
Yes.
Are you able to see?
Yes.
So let me drop this database. What the database name? Word DB. And I'm creating the fresh database. Okay.
Yes.
So my database has dropped. Now let me create a database. I have created a database. Now let me connect to the database. I am connected this database.
Yes.
And now I'm just putting the auto commit. Have you remember auto commit by default is on?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
I'm changing it to off. 0 means off, 1 means on.
Yes.
Because I'm going to import my data. Okay. Now sort tables, you can see we have 3 tables.
Yes.
Select a star from city. You can see 4079 and so on.
Yes. Yes.
So now my fresh database is ready. Let me convert into auto commit on.
Okay.
Now I put my auto commit on. Now let me execute my explain command.
Okay.
Are you able to see?
Yes.
So I'm putting select name from city, where name like just a condition I've given.
Yes.
So the explain plan has created. What is the select type for the query?
Well.
Are you able to see the select type? Like here you can see select type.
Yes. Simple.
Simple. No problem. So we are using the simple select. Index am I using?
No.
No, you cannot see the any
Index.
index.
Yes.
Okay. That is not there. Now what I can do here? How many rows we are retrieving?
409407.
No, for running this query, how much rows they are going to retrieve?
4046.
4046. Whether in my table actual rows, have you remember
4079.
4079?
Yes.
Are you getting?
Yes.
So only 3 row they are not examined. Rest all they will examine based on if I will execute this query.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
Based on this query, it will retrieve me 4046 row. Where in my total 4049.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
4079. What is that?
7, yeah,
79.
7, 9.
So 79 minus 4046. How many rows they left?
33.
Only those 33 rows is not valid. Got it?
Okay. Yes.
Because in my table, if you can clearly see, we have 4079 rows.
Yes.
And then now let me go for the another query. So I'm just showing you with the explain plan how you can monitor and how you query. What I did,
So,
explain select name from city where ID is equal
where
to
ID 4070.
4070. How
Yes.
many rows they are going to retrieve this time? It is also a simple.
Yes.
Are there any possible index that this query can use?
No.
Yes,
Yes.
because the primary key onto the table.
Oh, yes, 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 yes. I'm
Got it?
seeing it. Yes.
How many rows they are going to examine?
9.
So actual number of rows returned by your query.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
Where in your table, if you can see, we have a lots and lots of data.
Yes.
Got it? Don't believe me?
Yes.
Select start from PT. So you can see you have 4079. But just I put
Yes.
the condition. So out of these only 9 rows they are going to do it. How it happened?
Yes.
Because of my indexing.
Yes.
Understood?
Yes.
So just compare the output from my first query and the second query. What was my query? Let me show you. This is my first query.
Yes.
And this is my where clause I put the second query.
Yes.
Now if you will compare this output, here it is taking this many rows. And here
Yes.
it is taking only 9 rows.
9 rows. Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
So which query will give you the better performance?
Second one.
Why?
Because last row we have examined.
Because my second query take the advantage of my index and does not need
Yes.
to perform the full table scan.
Full. Yes.
Got it? That's why.
Yes. Yes.
So in short, improve the performance of my first query. How we can do
Yes.
it? Any idea?
The indexing.
We can create the index.
Index. Yes.
Okay, so let me create one index onto this,
First one.
the first query. Have you remember
Yes.
how many rows they are retrieving in the first?
4046. 33.
4046. 4046.
Yes. 4046.
Just I'm creating the one index here.
Okay.
Create index. I did my indexing.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Any doubt? Any question?
No.
Now the same query I am executing again. How we expect the result this time?
Yes.
Just let me run the same query again.
Yes.
This was my query. Am I correct?
Yes.
Then let me run. What do you notice?
140 to 60 rows. Because of I.
Got the idea?
Yes.
The select type is just a simple.
Simple.
But here, what
We
you
are
have
given
is
INN.
they are using
Index.
index. Whether if I can go for the above, let me show you to go above. That time it was not okay. So here same query was the same, but it was not using the index. It was using the
Yes.
where clause.
Where? Yes.
Understood?
Yes.
So index will improve the performance of your
Very.
query.
Yes. Yes.
Query is same. Am I correct? There is
Yes.
no changes at all.
Yes.
But due to the use of my index, my filtration is happened based on the index, and my performance has improved.
Improved. Yes.
Okay, so
Yes.
that's where people can do the indexing to
Fixing
improve the performance of database,
performance
and they
of,
can able to
yes. Yes.
lots of queries, lots of things they can able to do as per the business need.
Yes. Yes.
So it's your wish how you want to do it. You can
Yes.
able to proceed according to your business need.
Yes.
What we have learned from this?
To improve the query performance.
Yes, so we have learned the basic simple step.
Yes.
Index
Yes.
will really improve my performance, and
Yes.
based on the index, we can able to perform my database. We can able to
Yes.
do, and then we can able to run the things, and accordingly we
Yes.
can examine. It's
Yes.
just we have created a one simple index, and my
Yes.
things have changed.
Yes.
Now let me go for the another one. Here we are going to talk about a. Let's see what I can show you this procedure analysis.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
let me go for the procedure analysis. So I'm just going to check what happened. Where I'm connected. Use word InnoDB. Okay,
Yes.
I'm connected to my database word InnoDB. What was my query which I was executing? I'm putting a select name, country, population from city. So let me see my city table first. Let me select what I'm selecting, the name, comma, country code. Okay, then population and from city table. Okay,
Yes.
and then we are giving the procedure analysis. Just give me 1 second. So let me try to execute this. No, it's not saying procedure analysis inline is not working. Check the manual that corresponding to the MySQL version. Just give me 1 second. Why the procedure analysis is not taking into this version? The procedure analysis has removed into this 8.22 version.
Okay.
It's just not working. Got it. Whether it was working till the previous release. Good, no problem at all. So in the manual, if I can see, this is a removed feature. Anyway, no problem. So basically, what I was trying to do with this, I was trying to retrieve my data with this procedure
Okay.
analysis, and I was trying to
Okay.
monitor my
Okay.
procedure, how it processed my query.
Okay.
So it will show you all the columns and all the things. Wait. Okay, so this will not work into this case. No problem at all. Now let me work with the different example. Here in this case, now let me go for the event. So here you can see it is not enabled.
Yes.
Got it. But
Yes.
that's where you can monitor your events. So if you want to enable it, then what you have to do, you have to configure your MySQL.conf file. So let me put the performance should be enabled. So for what we have to do, we have to quit from here, go for the your etc my.cnf. Did you remember?
Yes.
So this configuration file you have to update. And just example I am putting here. So here if you can see the example performance schema instrument I'm putting on, consumer event I'm putting on, and this one. Let me go right and quit. And then you have to restart your service. Have you remember?
Yes.
Service MySQL D restart. So what message you got?
Failed. Because the
Fail
control process
because
exists.
of the my this configuration.
Yes. Yes.
Like due to this profile schema instrument stage I put it,
Yes.
because if you can remember, due to this it is. So in short, we have to on the particular things from here.
Okay.
Now let me do the restart and see it. So MySQL service failed because of the control process exists with the error code. System CTL status MySQL D service. Let me see. Are you getting?
Yes.
So it is failed to start.
Yes.
Let me fix it first. So just remove this and then I am restarting it. Now what happened? Is it removed or not? Yes, it removed now.
Mm.
And what the problem? I don't want the backup also. Now it's started. Always, once the issue is coming, don't be hesitate. Try to fix it. Now let me go for the performance schema. So databases. And then I can use my performance schema. Okay.
Yes.
Let me verify that my performance schema is on or not. Are you able to see?
Yes.
So my performance schema is on. Now let me go for the storage engine wise, where it is located. So what is the engine name?
Performance schema.
Performance schema, and it won't allow you the transaction purpose.
Yes.
The point is not possible, access not possible. So it's just for the monitoring purpose.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
If I want to show the engines, you can see we have the various engines. But out of that engine, the performance schema is the engine which is not allowing the user input output.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Now let me select connect to the performance schema, and then let me select my performance schema table. Select table name from information schema. Have you remembered the information schema?
Yes.
That's another database you have,
Yes.
where table is equal to performance schema that I am checking.
Okay.
So from information schema, I am connected it, and that 108 rows. Similar way, you can also do like show tables, it will show you the same result.
Okay.
Because I'm connected with this database.
Yes.
You can see total 108 rows, it's showing
Yes.
the same way. So when you are connecting from outside of the database with the information schema, you can able to monitor.
Okay.
Now let me see the structure for the my particular. We have a setup consumers table. Just scroll down and see the. Are you able to see setup consumers?
Yes.
So I'm seeing just a structure of that. Where it is kept in the engine.
Yes.
Performance schema. Okay.
Yes.
Now let me modify it. Let's see it's working or not. Setup instrument. We also have one. Have you remember setup stars setup instruments?
Yes.
Let me see. Same table I'm putting instead of setup consumer, I'm putting the setup instrument.
Yes.
So you can see the syntax for this. Let me enable it.
Okay.
So I'm putting update performance schema, the setup instrument, and I'm putting
Yes.
set enable equal to yes, time equal to yes. So what happened for all the my rows?
Yes.
It impacted.
Yes.
So total 1213 rows, out of that 929 valid for this.
Yes.
Now let me see the my current weight. Event weight I am checking. So if anything in my database is waiting, we can see here from performance schema, event wait current. Got it?
Okay.
So if any waiting is there, as of now in my database, there is no waiting. But just example, there is a user is waiting for that particular event
Okay.
that will be shown here.
Okay.
Understood?
Yes.
Similar way, we can able to see the history, event wait history. Have you remember?
Yes.
Because in this database we don't have any problem. It's just created.
Yes.
Otherwise, you can able to do. Just understand these views information. Event
Okay.
underscore waste underscore histogram. From
History.
here, we can able to see the waiting history.
Okay.
Alright. So history
Yes.
table contains the information about the wait.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
Then we have another wait summary. Of course, in my case, we don't have any output as of now,
Yes.
but just I'm showing you the query which we can use for monitoring. So are you able to see event wait
Yes.
underscore summary global by event
Yes.
wait?
Yes.
So this will show you the summary which will give you aggregate information about your event over the time. Got it?
Yes.
Like here you can see the entire
Yes.
till yet since the date the database was created, what was the event occurred and what was there. So it's summary type you can able to see. I can customize it. Okay, I want to the top 10 or some things like that. Have you remembered limit? Sometimes people are asking, hey, I need a top 10 rows, or
Yes.
maybe
Yes.
I need a top 5 rows. So I can able
Yes.
to customize it based on my requirement. Like here you can
Yes.
see
Yes. Yes.
top 5 weight. You can see
Yes. Yes.
earlier the same query, just I put the
Yes.
limit 5 to 10.
Yes. Fine. Yes.
Let me change it. So if you want to get top 10 waiting, top 10 event which is
Yes.
running, top 10
Yes.
sessions, those all the
Yes.
information you can monitor from here.
Okay.
Let me see my file instance. Select from the performance schema file instance. So total 100, one row you are getting for the binary log or bin log. You can get the MySQL, the process ID, so many things, configuration file, auto.cnf. Auto.cnf will use for what purpose? Like alter command you are doing instead of your configuration file.
Okay.
Then your each data files, your object,
Yeah.
so you can able to
Yeah.
monitor. Okay. So instance
Yes.
table will show you the all your server procedures, event, those all details.
Okay. Yes.
Then we have also one good table here, the setup instrument.
Yes.
So that setup instrument we can able to see here. So the setup instrument, it will show you the collected of your enable things. What is enable in your database or not enable? So those conditions you can see here. Yes, 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 like enabled.
Yes.
You can customize it a query like enable, disable, both you want.
Yes.
Those all you can able to do as per your business need.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
If you want to the enable, disable, those all you can able to do the MyDB, create DB. So those all depend on the business need. You can control whether the event you want enable or not. Those all you can do specifically,
Yes.
like the some condition ways I'm putting. What I did, set performance schema instrument, set enabled. No. For what
Yes.
case? For this law,
But yes.
mutex. Mutex, do you remember? Mutex is the mechanism for preventing the law.
Yes.
Let me see then. Performance schema setup consumers. So where I have put that you can see. What do you put?
MySQL create underscore wait sync name
So accordingly, you can able to monitor, you can able to do, you can customize any same way you can do as per your business need. You can able to or not.
yes
Okay, so
yes
that's about the performance schema.
yes
Not only that, there's a n number of things as I told you. There's a lots and lots. It depends on your business need. You can able to see
yes
what you want to monitor. Like
okay
so variable like performance. So what
yes
the current value you can see. What is the
yes
setting? In the point. Maximum table law, schema, SQL,
yes
what the value is currently. If you want to customize it, you can change it as per your
yes
requirement. Once off, everything will be off.
yes
The maximum connection you can able to control, open file limit you can able to control. So during the runtime you can able to configure depend on to your business need. Like here I am getting from the performance schema like setup. So you can see whatever the setup traits we have, vectors we have, those are performance schema setup table contain information about the monitoring your configuration of your MySQL. Understood?
yes
Similar way you can able to monitor your timer.
yes
You can see the timer information,
yes
which are the timer trait and other things is used.
yes
You can customize it, the query as per your business need. These all are for the monitoring purpose you can able to do.
yes
Event filtering you can do, like what type of event and other
okay
thing. Based on that event filtering you can do in your database. Okay,
yes
so these are the things. Now let's come for the another point into MySQL. Okay. So here I'm going to use the another one. Let me show you. We have a one also good for monitoring, which is called the information schema.
okay
If I remember, I have shown you the information schema.
yes
Did you remember?
yes
So let me connect to the database. And now let me fire the command so databases instead of tables. So I'm going to connect to the my information schema. This is also a way to monitoring. Information
yes
schema, also we have lots of tables. So from
yes
there you can see the users,
yes
attributes, tables, views, those all the information related to your database.
okay
Got it?
yes
Fine. So lots and lots of event engines, those all you can take.
yes
So total
yes
79 table we have for this. Now let me see the character set of the my database. So for that we have a two-way. Either we can do with the information schema, select a start from character sets. We can able to monitor the character set. How many character set is supported in MySQL this version? 41.
yes
So depend on that you can do. Otherwise you can use show command.
yes
Got it? So both is the way you can able to do show the character set. Same. Got it? So either you can use the
yes
character set show command or you can use with the select a star from character sets from the
yes
information schema.
yes
So what is the collation character set applicable? Let me verify it. In my database, select start from collection characters, set applicability. So you can see.
Yes,
So in
270.
short, database character set and national character set like that.
Okay.
That's way it will work. Let me see the my collation. Did you remember the collation? Your filtering and sorting will
Yes.
happen based on character set. So you can monitor from
Yes.
here.
Yes.
Select
Yes.
start from collections or otherwise show collections. Got it?
Yes.
If I can do the show collection, that will also show you the same thing. Show collection.
Same. Yes.
Got it? So show
Yes.
collection has removed into this newer release
Yes.
and earlier release till the 5.7 show collection was also working.
Okay. Okay.
How to see the engines? Show engines. Got it?
Select.
So total 9 engine we have.
7 years.
Apart
Yes.
from that, select a start from engines.
Yes.
If you can see in the information schema, we have a one table called engines. If you remember, I have already shown you earlier.
Engines.
So start from E. So let me go for the scroll up, come to the E part. Are you able to see the engines? This one.
Yes.
From there also we can able to
Yes.
select a start from engines. We can able to see the engines information. Sometimes you need to see the plugins. What is the install plugin? So you can
Yes.
use the show plugins.
Yes.
Otherwise, in information you have a plugins.
Okay.
From there also you can do show plugins. So total, and this if you can see it is disabled, other are active. So depend on that.
Yes.
If you need more plugin, you can able to do the plugins because plugin MySQL is open source. Lots of plugins is
Yes.
available in the market. You can able to use.
Yes. Yes.
If I want to see the plugins for the bin log, we can customize it.
Yes.
We can able to use the bin log plugin, so it is active. Who is the author of this plugin? Similar way, if you can monitor the InnoDB, so that will show you the another purpose.
Yes.
InnoDB like that, so you can see. It depend on that story. Understood?
Yes.
By default, global feature is disabled.
Okay.
So depend on the version. I'm not showing this is the only. Let me see my global variables. For that we have a show command, show global variables. We can able to see total we have 519. But the earlier release till the 5.7, this is by default is disabled. Got it. So you need to enable it and then you can use it. Okay.
Yes.
Let's start from global variables order by variable name.
Variable name.
Let me see what is the table name. So tables, global variables, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Let me come to the, so we don't have here. Got it? So
Yes.
based on that, the table is coming and we can able to do. So depend on the global variables is not now, no more now available into information schema.
Okay.
I have shown you in the table is not available.
Yes.
Now let me connect again with the performance schema.
Okay.
So now I'm on performance schema. Let me
Yes.
monitor the my session variable. Am I getting or not? So I'm getting the thread ID, variable name, thread value, and then from where I'm getting from this. So I don't have any as of now. Similar way, we can able to monitor the my privilege. So privilege, it will show you the what type of privilege into MySQL you have. Similar way, you can use the information schema, use info, and then you can able to see the your user privilege. Select a start from user privilege where privilege type is equal to super. So whom I have assigned. So if you can see,
Super. Okay.
only the root have I have assigned the super privilege.
Yes.
Like if you are in your database, you have multiple, then you can able to monitor it. Similar way, you can monitor the table level privilege. Got it. So here,
Yes.
based on that, you can able to monitor if you have given to anyone. But this database just I have created, so I'm not given to anyone. Have you remember?
Yes.
But if I remember the world database, I have given to someone.
Yes.
No, no. So whichever, basically the table level privilege, you can able to monitor from table underscore privilege.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
Similar way for others, you can able to monitor. You can able to get the metadata information.
Yes.
So these all for which database, which type of character set, which
Yes.
where it is
Before
running.
collection name, skill.
These you are able to do. If any partition or other things that you can able to monitor, like here, what type of partition we have used. So range base, column base, those all you are getting. So partitioning you are able to monitor from this query. Got it?
Yes.
Similar way we can able to see the events if they are in particular database we have. This database we don't have. Because what InnoDB earlier we have created. Have you remember?
Yes.
And then this just we have dropped and recreated. We can monitor the process list. So full process list, so we can able to see the process list of the query. Or other ways, information schema, you have a process list. From there you can do. So both will give you the same result.
Okay.
You can see the status of your instance. If not this way, then you can put it like this way. Or readable format, you can able to see what is the current setting into your instance. Are you getting the point?
Yes.
Similar way, I can monitor the engine related thing. So here I am putting the InnoDB and NDB table space. So this is my query. Select file ID, file name, file type, table space schema, table name from information schema files. So information schema, we have files from there. All the files which is in your database. Are you able to see
Yes.
Raji database, Word, circular
Yes.
database?
Yes.
I can scroll up, imply database, those all you can get from there. Whatever the file they have. Got it?
Yes.
Let me see the my engine status. show engine, my SMS status. So
Mm.
it would be CSV status. Similar way we
Yes.
can use InnoDB. So particular one,
Yes.
if you want to monitor, you can
Okay.
able to do InnoDB status. You can see
Yes.
similar way performance schema. You can able to monitor. So this is basically show command. You can able to monitor your things. Ready?
Yes.
If I want to monitor specifically from information schema like the my case, if you remember, I have a table called Sakila.
Yes.
So I want to select schema name as database from information schema. And information schema, we have all the information database related information kept into a schema table from where I got Sakila database. Similar way, if I want to monitor for the table, quite possible sometime required. You can see here in the Sakila table the what are the thing. Similar way, you can able to see the index with the show index.
Yes.
This way you can able to see the tables. Of course, table name I have put in the city. That's why only city. Otherwise, all the table will be shown.
Yes. Yes.
So these are the monitoring technique which you can use depend on to your business.
Yes.
Did you get the idea?
Yes.
Any doubt, any question, then feel free to ask.
No, today I will go through it and I will let you know tomorrow.
Sure. Similar way, if you want to
Okay.
various way like session and status, those all you can able to monitor.
Yes.
So it depends on your business need. You can able to do
Yes.
it
What?
according to the
Yes.
need. Like in the my
Right.
query simply I put show session status where variable name like handler or variable like temp. So those
Yes.
information I can monitor from here. Whatever
Yes.
you want, you can able to do.
Yes.
If you want the multiple things, that can be possible.
Yes.
If I want to see the by set another thing, those can be possible. We can change it with the set command.
Yes.
Look very low. So that's way it will work in the MySQL. I hope you understood the concept.
Yes.
If any doubt, any question, feel free to ask.
No.
Good. Thank you.
Come.